You look great. Is that what you just said to yourself?
Yeah, I looked at myself in the mirror. And I was like,
You're too tall. I can't.
That wasn't
Your
a
head's
problem when we first
gonna
met.
be cut off.
Now I look like a turtle.
Hello. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel.
Our channel. Go
Welcome
ahead.
back to our channel. Today we are finally doing the house tour. Yay!
Yeah, overdue and ready to roll. Let's see. First up, the dog.
First up, this guy. Hi, buddy.
Thanks for watching our house tour. That's it. That's all we have for you. We have this
That's so funny.
very moody dog, and that's it.
Thank you for your patience. I know that I've been getting a lot of requests, but I just really wanted to have the house pretty much finished. We had some delays with deliveries, as you do, but let's get started. All right, so when you walk in from the door, see our living room with TT there. Hi, Theo.
Moody boy.
That's his chair. He watches to make sure that there's no one sketchy. Theo, look. Good boy. Okay, so we walk in and we've got a beautiful couch from Article. I love this couch so much. It's such a centerpiece. Obviously we have the L shape. I never really thought that we could have a leather couch with a dog, but it actually is better because it doesn't wear the fabric so much and leather looks good kind of, you're just standing there.
I'm saying that because I'm about to drop some knowledge. Leather wears in, fabric wears out, people.
That's
I
right.
learned that on the Article website.
That's
It is
right.
so true.
Anyway, so we have a beautiful leather couch. There's the husband.
Man's
He
not
mans.
included with the house.
And then right here we have our shoe rack. This is from Article 2. This is actually one of my favorite pieces that we have. Got a mirror there to open up the space. I think that mirror might be from IKEA or Amazon. Some shelf decorations and there's the stairs. All right, moving into our living room, we've got a beautiful bar cart. We got this on Wayfair.
It should be noted that this took me only 3 times to build. Hold your applause. I built it first like this, the second time like this, which was also wrong, and then now.
Good job. Good job, babe.
Perfect.
We've got our dining room table, which we don't really eat at, but I love. These chairs are from Article. They're so comfortable, and I think they are like really chic and modern, but also a little bit homey.
Yeah.
Okay, here is our little living room. Over there is the front door, just for perspective's sake. So pretty much everything in here is Article. The couch is Article. The cushions are Article. The dog is Article. No, this chair is Article. Love this chair so much. Our rug is also Article. This shelf right here, which is something that I worked on for a while, styling my shelf.
No, just like a week. It wasn't a while. Just a week solid. Like a good 40 hours went into styling this shelf.
Shut up!
Multiple.
It looks good.
That's awesome. It looks great.
So that shelf is from IKEA. And then we've got, in case you can't tell, a fucking massive TV.
That was my fault.
I came back from being in Vancouver and Andrew had bought a 70-inch TV.
Yeah, it was a bit of a calculated impulse purchase.
So right here, this is a vintage Turkish carpet that I got from this company called Droplet. My friend Eliza runs it. It is amazing. It is female owned. She's a mother. She sources everything herself from Turkey and they do their best to be sustainable as much as they can. And this is actually a zero waste pillow. I love this piece so much. I think it's so beautiful. So here we are on Theo's couch. See how he's just so intent looking out the window? Love you. So not interested. Okay, let's move on. This is another shelf that took me a week to style. But there you go. Got some books here. This is from Common Goods, which is a Toronto-based pottery company. Love them so much. This is from Roman Times. This is just from H&M. H&M has a lot of cool like vases
Do you want to tell them about your backwards book initiative?
Why don't you tell them?
I would, but I don't
There you go.
understand it. All the books in our house are apparently backwards now.
It just gives like a
It gives
minimal look.
look.
What do you guys think? Do you like it? I think it's cute.
It's cute. Until you need to look for a book.
You just have to flip it around.
They're all
Anyways,
like-
these are from H&M. We've got some of our records. Fleetwood Mac, my favorite. Bruce Springsteen, record player. This is also from H&M, and that is a beautiful print from Indigo. Okay, moving into the kitchen. Why don't you take us through the kitchen, honey?
Sure.
There's nothing
So this
really...
is the kitchen. There's nothing in it. That's the whole thing.
There's nothing really crazy about it. These stools are from Article.
Oh yeah.
And we love them. I really feel like they bring a little bit of warmth from the other room into the kitchen because the kitchen's quite gray. We put in these lights. Well, we had somebody come and put in the lights.
Yeah. And this one too.
This one is they're both from Canadian Tire, I think.
Yep.
This is our kitchen, which is very clean right now. Got a wine rack from CB2, I believe. This is from Indigo. Just wanted some added interest.
Speaking of added interest,
Speaking of.
those who know, know.
And out here is our backyard. You can see what it looks like in the summer when it's a lot nicer in another video that I will link as well for you guys. And that's the kitchen. That's downstairs. Oh, here's the sink.
For those who've never seen a sink
Never seen a sink. As you come up the stairs, we've got some framed records. There you go. Got a mirror here with a chair. The mirror is IKEA, the chair is CB2, and I don't know where that shearling thing is from. Here's my office, but I'm gonna give you a full makeover video on it, so stay tuned. There's a sneak peek. Bathroom. I personally painted this white like one evening.
Yeah.
3 coats.
I just saw this like crazed look in your eye and you were like, I'm gonna paint it tonight. It's like you are on
I just
a
wanted
mission.
to do it.
And it looks so much better.
It does. Mirror. We got these shelves from CB2 and I'm really glad that we did. It really like adds interest to the space. Our shower curtain is from H&M. Bath mat is from H&M. And then here are the other shelves back here. So the CB2 shelves come in a set of 3. And then just got all my little things.
All your little products.
All my
your little
things. All my things.
Now, hey guys, I'm going to be doing a separate office video for me too. It's about 2 hours long.
Okay,
It's
so
called I Have a Couch. That's
this
it.
was supposed to be the guest room. And now Andrew calls it his office. So this is actually Theo's room, if anything.
Yeah, he sleeps in here every night.
So we've got a beautiful couch from West Elm that is actually a futon that these two go back and it folds flat. We wanted something that wouldn't look ugly and clunky to fold out into a bed, and I thought this one was really nice, although apparently it's not all that comfortable. That's too bad for our guests. Here's Andrew's desk and his chair. He got these $30 prints framed for $200.
Yeah, there is.
Because they're irregularly sized.
Correct. And I tried everything. Oh wait, you're not going to show the best part?
Oh my god.
This is the productivity epicenter of the house. It's got mood board component. It's got all the different things that I work on. It's got progress. It's got today's tasks.
I hate you right now. I hate you right now.
It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia is like this. This is where it all happens. If it's not on the board, it doesn't happen. I'm taking marriage off.
Laundry's in here. And here's our bedroom. This was something that we had to wait for. There was like a bit of a mix up with the bed, but we finally got the one that we wanted and I love it so much. I think it's so gorgeous. Our bed is from Article and this is from Droplet. It is organic cotton from Turkey. And I think we just got our comforter from HomeSense. So the bedside tables are from Article. They are matching to the bed. So we are gonna get some art for above the bed there, but we just wanna get something special.
Right now we're mostly focused on putting all of our books backwards. That's mostly what we're
More backwards books.
working on right now.
And then I got these pampas grass from Pier 1 for some added interest.
Just some verticality in here.
Got a cute little bench by the window. I love this bay window. This is from Article. It's a beautiful leather bench. And then here's some more backwards books.
Oh, thank. Yeah, so sometimes I'll just cuddle right up and get a blanket, and this baby's got all the space I need.
This is where I make Andrew sleep.
Oh,
That's called a marriage. And then we've got a little half bath in there. Hi, Theo. And then, oh, this doormat is from H&M Home. So there you go. That's where we live. We are renting this place. We don't own right now. And I really like how everything turned out. I think we did a good job. What do you think?
I think so too. The only thing is there's some books that are still forward.
It's okay, they're not brightly colored, so it works. Thanks for watching.
So yeah, if you want us to come into your house and turn all your books backwards, that's a service we offer. It's
From the August Diaries.
From the August Diaries.
All right, well, subscribe. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up.
That's what thumbs up is. Good.
Okay, that's enough of that. And if you have any questions about where everything is from, let me know. Everything will be linked down below. See you later.
Bye, pals.